Critics often call evolution just a theory, but in science, a theory isn't a guess, it's a rock-solid explanation. Like gravity, the evidence for evolution is overwhelming. It's written in the rocks beneath our feet, in the anatomy of living animals, and in the very code of our DNA. Think of the fossil record as a timeline. Deeper, older rock layers hold only simple life. As we move to younger rocks, we see a clear progression. Fish appear, then amphibians, then reptiles and mammals. We've even found stunning transitional fossils. Archaeopteryx, for example, had the feathers and wings of a bird, but the teeth and claws of a dinosaur. A perfect snapshot of one group evolving into another. The evidence continues in our own bodies. The bones inside a human arm follow the same basic blueprint as a bat's wing and a whale's flipper. These are homologous structures, the same design inherited from a common ancestor but modified for different jobs. And why do whales, which have no legs, have tiny useless hip bones buried in their blubber? They are evolutionary leftovers, scars from when their ancestors walked on land. The clues get even stranger before we're born. As embryos, humans, chickens, and fish look almost identical. At one stage, we all possess structures that resemble gill slits and even a post-anal tail. It's a literal glimpse into our shared developmental instruction manual, handed down from a distant aquatic past. But today, the ultimate proof is molecular. Every living thing, from bacteria to you, uses the exact same genetic language of A, T, C, and G. By comparing sequences, we can see our relationships with mathematical precision. We share 98.8% of our DNA with chimpanzees, and even about 50% with a banana. From ancient bones to the alphabet of our genes, every piece of evidence tells the same story, converging on a single inescapable truth. All life on Earth shares a common history.